amanece y veo en el cielo una luz allá en lo alto y me doy cuenta que hoy estamos a primero, que acaba de empezar un nuevo año. Buena suerte, no me quejo de haber cumplido ya 40 y tantos. Y aunque no me...
Good morning. It's early in the rainforest here at Los Quetzales Lodge, and the hummingbirds are everywhere. We set up a couple feeders in front of our cabin here so that you can kind of take a look at them. They fight all the time. Kind of like humans. They've got tons of nectar, and yet, for some reason, they like to go at it. So, hope you like the clips, and hope you can make it to Panama, because it's a really beautiful place. Okay, have a great day, and thanks for coming to Online Adventure.
Y mi mujer me prepara el baño. Esta noche no me va a vencer el sueño, porque me voy a festejar el nuevo año. ¿Ustedes no? Año nuevo.